Introducing the 2021 Ford Kuga Titanium 1.5TD120 S6.2 M6 F 4D in sleek grey. Packed with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation and parking assistance. This MPV is the ultimate in comfort, safety and style. With ABS, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the chrome package, roof rails and spoiler add a touch of sophistication. Our vehicle has a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details.